In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Wise account and avoid mistakes personal and business. By the end, you'll know exactly what to tap, what to type, and how to avoid the common pitfalls that slow people down during sign-up. Start by opening the Wise app on your device. Make sure you're on a stable internet connection and that you're using the official app. From the home screen, look for the option to register. If you see both login and register, choose Register to create a new account. Next, enter your email address. Use an email you check regularly since Wise will send important updates and verification links there. Double check for typos before you proceed. A small mistake can block you from receiving confirmations and reset links. Now verify your email address. Open your inbox, find the message from Wise, and click Confirm. If it's not there, look in Spam or Promotions. Only click the link inside the official email and don't forward it to anyone. Once it's confirmed, come back to the app and press Next to continue. You'll be asked to choose the type of account. Wise offers personal and business. Personal is for your individual transfers and everyday spending. Business is for company expenses, invoices, and team use. For this walkthrough, we'll choose personal to keep things straightforward. If you do need a business account later, you can set that up separately and keep your details consistent across accounts. Select your country or region. Pick the place where you legally live, not where you're traveling, so your details match official records. After that, choose your province or state. Ensure it matches what appears on your ID and bank statements to prevent verification delays. Tap Continue, then tap Next to move ahead through the form. Keep an eye on each screen so you don't miss any required fields. Precise, consistent information now saves time later. Enter your phone number. Use a number you have with you right now and can receive texts or calls on. Avoid numbers you'll lose access to, and make sure the country code is correct. This number will help keep your account secure. Finally, tap Send Code. You'll receive a one-time code shortly. Keep your phone nearby and never share that code with anyone. If it doesn't arrive, wait a moment and check that your number and country code are accurate. That's it for the initial setup. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll be on the right path to opening a Wise account without unnecessary hiccups.